Ki pulit kan nong ba silong nang tekit ki hadrong ibadja ya kawi kan thai ko hap na po keri auto keten ha kan nya turik uni bunai he wada klan no ko khat letrik hawut lan hospital silong hadrong ini bajja superintendent of police ki Iskasi Hills Ubibex im de khana wada kem ya uni ubru wa ya ya ni keri wada tekit ai wada bichar la ya CCTV wagi pulit de yo ki yo tip ye bajja USP de beti wa uni buru kate de yo jaminu kat kam wa ong USP kan ni kan thai wa klat de wan nganai khawai bia we the one choy ga da uni ubru da kari we hai por we her gi chathan kan dailat we man po gi bang taw e mar pacha ya yung kre kam ga disi da hap kan ni kan thai na po kari hai por kam wa khat wisan phaw met we the MOU da gi kat tu gat ni ngot gi bru yi ni wajia USP de banti wa upu ni gi bru da bu FIR ha ga chphaw trik uni ubnai kat kam ga FIR kini gi ar ngot to gi wachi chan we uni u ya kari to ura dep dikiat we wat haden wa hap kan ni kan thai em sange kari u we de sange u haden we em gi bru kbai we man wan u de snyau ki bar smakiat u ya kini kan thai dakit da uni buru dai lang wi uwan yarap ai wan kong nakit sa Silong Civil Hospital we hadin wan cabut lan hospital uni u ya kri da ong MU wa hap ko na po kri de wa kam wan u hadin wa hap ko na po kri ai por mun thu ko
see this incident happened on the 7th of November whereby late Itarisha Jirwa 36 years actually had attended a wedding in All Saints, and she was picked up by her boyfriend, and from there they had come down towards Police Bazaar, and at DC's office junction she was seen falling out of the car, and there were witnesses who actually had seen her falling out. Car has been seized, the accused has been arrested, investigation is still on. The victim, she expired on the 13th of November in Woodland Hospital. We have got the medical report of the cause of death also, which is trauma due to the injury in the skull. Right now, investigation is on to ascertain whether it was accidental, it was rash driving, or whether there was any premeditated attempt to actually throw her out of the car. So, investigation is still on. At this juncture, I can only say that.
Does the accused make any statement whether it was intentional or?
See, the accused right now, though he's being examined, I mean, there's much more needs to be examined and interrogated to find out the veracity of the statement, and that will have to be corroborated with from the CCTV footages which we are examining right now.
Then the section.
The sections are 281 of the BNS, 125. And 185 MV Act. No, the FIR was filed on the 10th by the brother of the victim, and it was registered immediately, and investigation started from there. Yes, the accused is arrested and he also got bail. So it is Alto K10 vehicle, but number I don't have it with, but it's an Alto K10. IGB point to Police Bazaar.
After the marriage here also.
Yes.
What time, sir?
This was at about 12 midnight.
So the CCTV footage is there.
150 to be precise.
There are no CCTV footages where we are.
There are footages we are analyzing now.